Hey everybody, welcome to another episode of Kyle's Kitchen. Today, I got one recipe which takes basically two main ingredients. There's actually 5 ingredients, but there's 2 separate cake mixes that you need. And I'm using devil's cake, and I'm using white cake. And I'm gonna make a double layer strawberry vanilla frosted molten cake. Okay, well, actually not molten because molten means something. So I'm gonna make a double layer strawberry vanilla cake. Simple, it's gonna be good. So just keep with me on this video, and follow my instructions, and it should come out the way you want. First thing you want to do, first step, preheat the oven. I got the oven preheated to 350. After the oven's preheated to 350 right now, so you just let that sit. And what we're gonna do, I don't have any mixing bowls. I have saucepans, so that's what I'm gonna use. So, okay. So the first step. Step 1, all right. We're gonna empty out our cake batter. I'm gonna start. Doesn't matter which one I start with, but I'm gonna empty out my cake batter into the mix pans. All right. Okay. Put the vanilla. Now I'm going to do the chocolate in the other pan. Like using a knife. Open the liquor. All right, now the first ingredient, besides the second ingredient, is really easy. All you need for the white cake, you need 1 cup of water. So I don't really measure stuff. I like to eye it out. But a cup is about 2 inches of water in a normal glass. About 2 inches in a normal glass. So I'm gonna put 1 cup in there. And then it also calls for a recipe. It also calls for the cocoa needs also 1 cup of water. So take care of that. Cocoa, 1 cup of water. Boom. All right. The white cake batter, that needs 1/4 cup of vegetable oil. So that's about 3 centimeters in a glass. So that's what I'm gonna put in. Okay, and that helps me. That gives the cake texture, and it makes it soft. The vegetable oil. Okay, so the cocoa only needs 1/3 cup. So that's about 2 centimeters. Not 3, but 2. Of course, come back to it. But 2 centimeters. Okay. Put that aside. Next, we have our eggs. Alright, eggs are important because it holds the cake batter together. That's how you get a compact cake. Hold it together. Okay? Now, each recipe calls for 3 eggs. Okay? But the white batter uses egg whites only. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna separate. Okay, excuse my French. We're gonna separate the egg whites. So I'm gonna take the yellow part out, throw that in the garbage. Do not need that. What I was trying to do was go like this. Okay, and then just let the egg white drain out while trying to hold on to the yolk inside. Okay. Got one more to go. Screw it, just gonna throw it in. Okay. Ooh, no. Okay. Egg white is not cooperating. Not cooperating the way I want it to. I got a little bit of yolk in there. I'm gonna have to extract it. Okay, I'm gonna put one more egg. One more egg white. Egg white. Okay, that's good. Okay, so I'll put that to the side. Okay, cocoa uses 3 large eggs. Cocoa batter. Okay? The whole egg, too. You need the whole entire egg. Alright. Ooh, got some shells in it. Alright, now what I'm going to do, I'm going to mix everything together. Okay? We need mixer. Just to make sure I should have all my, usually have all my mise en place together. You know, ladle, you know, spoon. Alright, now we're going to mix it up. You gotta mix it real good, okay? You gotta mix it. Okay. You gotta get it, you gotta get all the clumps out of it. Basically, when you mix it, you gotta get all the clumps out. That's the main objective when you're making a cake, okay? You don't need no baking powder. You don't need any yeast. This is not, it's a cake, okay? And cake, it doesn't need those ingredients. Alright? You just gotta get the flour, because there's flour in the cake mix. There's flour. So you just gotta make sure you get that out. You gotta mix it real good. So what I'm gonna do, I got the first cake pan right here, and I'm gonna put the cake mix inside the pan. Real simple. This is the first layer. We're making a double layer cake, and it's going to be one of the layers. It's going to be a white cake. Okay. Okay. And what we got to do, at the side, we got to see, and spread it out. And spread it out. See? Spread. Sides from each corner to corner. Spread it out. Make sure there's no clumps in it too. Okay? Once you've done that, take this and then smooth it over. Let's make it smooth. This tool makes it smooth. Okay? Now, I'm going to take a time out. I'm going to wash these. And then I'm going to do the next cake batter, the chocolate layer. Okay? In here. Okay. So what we're going to do, cut the cocoa, tea, and the eggs. What I did, because my recording on the camera I think shut off, because I don't know why, but I took egg whites. I took egg whites. I put the vegetable oil in the white cake mix, and then I took the chocolate. And then I have white cake mix. I used 3 egg whites, mixed it up, threw it in with cake mix. Then I threw 1/3 cup of vegetable oil in here, mixed it all up, got the clumps out, put it in a tin pan, okay? And then I had my chocolate batter for the cake. I put 3 whole eggs with the yolk in it, with 1/4 cup of vegetable oil, and I mixed it in and cooked that. Right now I'm gonna mix it up. You didn't really miss anything. My camera can only record so much minutes at a time. I'm trying to get that fixed. But anyways, I'm mixing it up to get the clumps out. Alright? I have the oven set at 350. Okay? You gotta preheat the oven to 350. Okay, making a double layer cake. Double layer, vanilla chocolate. Okay. Alright. Now we're going to put it in the tin can. Okay. You gotta try to get all of it out. Working out my muscles. I'm get stronger doing this. Now we have the vanilla cake. The vanilla cake, all the ingredients mixed in there and smoothed out. Now we have the chocolate cake, all the ingredients mixed in and smoothed out. Remember, the white cake, 3 egg whites, 1/3 cup vegetable oil, 1/2 cup water. Chocolate, 3 eggs, 1/2 cup water, and 1/4 cup vegetable oil. Then you got to smooth it out, and you got to preheat the oven to 350. Okay, then taste it, see how it is. All right, very chocolatey. That's good. You need it. Very good. Okay, we're gonna take a quick intermission, and then I'm gonna throw these bad boys in the oven, and I'll show you that, and then we'll come back, and I'll show you the final I'll show you how to decorate. Okay, we got the cakes ready. The oven is set to 350. Now we're gonna throw it in. We got a hot oven. We're gonna throw it in the middle rack, the cakes, and what we're gonna try to attempt to do is we're gonna cook it for, I would say, about 17 minutes. That would be the proper time limit. And we'll decorate after this, after it's done. Okay, thank you for hanging in there. All right, guys, I just pulled the cake out the oven, threw it in the fridge, and I let it cool down. And really, the best reason behind that is so we could decorate. Because you don't want to put cold frosting on a hot cake. So what I got is a strawberry jam, and I'm going to use that for the middle layer. I'm going to put on top of the vanilla cake. Put a nice thin layer on it. Maybe about a 1/2 inch thick of strawberry jam. And get a nice even coat, spread it around. Yeah, maybe a less than an inch. A lot less than an inch. Yeah, a lot less. Maybe like a centimeter, like that. But you don't really need too much, you just need enough for flavor. Enough to give it some more sweetness. And to have a little fruity taste to it. So, okay. Next, we're going to do the frosting, vanilla frosting. And I'm going to take the chocolate part of the cake, and I'm going to put it on top of the vanilla. And combine it. Now we got a double vanilla chocolate cake. Right here. Next is the frosting, vanilla. And do even layer. Ooh, uh-oh. My cake is breaking. No bueno. Maybe I can patch it up with some of the frosting. You know what? I'm just gonna throw it in the garbage. It's not a big deal. Life isn't perfect. Neither are kids. Okay. try to get the sides to make them. Now you can watch them pile 50.